Hi, my name is Barb. You've probably seen some of my videos in the past. I work out here at Guarantee and Trailers and Vans. Hey, you know what? Today I want to talk to you about a Jayco, which is a 245 RLSW, all of that. It's a rear lounge with a really nice slide. What I like about this travel trailer is when you walk in the door, you have a really nice bedroom off to your right. You have a bathroom that has what's called a Jack and Jill door. So if you're in your skivvies and you want to use the restroom in the middle of the night, you've got a door that way. And if your friends or neighbors or kids are staying out in the other area, then they can get into the bathroom through the door. Has a nice little pantry curio in the corner. It's got lots and lots and lots of counter space. The slide out holds the dinette, and you get a great big couch on the back that folds down into a nice bed. This unit is strong. It's a Jayco product. Jayco has a tremendously good name in the industry. I've sold lots of these, and I'll tell you what, my families love them because I call and check on them. So come on out and take a look at this unit. It's a Jayco 245 RLSW. And then give me a call. I'm at 541-521-4232, and I'll tell you all about it. Thank you.